Welcome to Packaging School. Today, we'll discuss three main packaging processes: unit packaging, intermediate packaging, transit packaging. Unit packaging, also called primary packaging, directly contacts the product. It protects, preserves, and often stays with the product while the customer uses it. Examples of unit packaging materials: glass bottles, metal tin containers, laminated pouches, Lamy tubes, plastic bottles, paperboard cartons, Polbo trays. After unit packaging, your product is ready for the next step: intermediate packaging. This is also called secondary packaging. It groups multiple unit packs for retailers who buy in bulk, e.g., 10, 50, or 100 units. Examples of intermediate packaging materials: corrugated boxes, cartons, mono cartons, shrink wrap, flexible material wrapping, Polbo trays. This step makes it easier to store and transport products. Transit packaging. The final step is transit packaging, which protects products during transportation by truck, ship, or air. This prevents damage to both the unit and secondary packs. Examples of transit packaging materials: wooden pallets and crates, steel and aluminum containers, drums, master cartons and shipper cartons, stretch wrapping, cotton bales, sacks of paper laminates. Transit packaging ensures your products reach their destination safely. Why are these steps important? Unit packaging protects the product and makes it usable. Intermediate packaging makes it easier to handle and store products in bulk. Transit packaging prevents damage during transportation. If any step is skipped, your product's value may be reduced. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you found it useful. Share this video with friends who might benefit from it. See you in the next video.